Pacifiers 101, Introducing, Using, and Gradually Weaning Off. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Daily Hurdles. Today, we're diving into the world of pacifiers, a comforting tool for babies and toddlers. In this video, we'll discuss the best practices for introducing a pacifier, how to use it safely, and later, how to gently wean your little one off it when the time is right. Let's get over this hurdle. Introducing a pacifier can be a game changer for soothing your baby. Here are some helpful tips. If you're breastfeeding, it's best to wait until breastfeeding is well established, usually around 3 to 4 weeks, before introducing a pacifier to avoid nipple confusion. Select a pacifier that is age-appropriate, safe, and free from any choking hazards. Look for one-piece designs to prevent parts from breaking. Offer the pacifier mindfully when your baby is calm, not necessarily hungry. Avoid using it as a substitute for feeding. Now that your little one is using the pacifier, let's ensure safe and appropriate use. Never tie the pacifier to your baby's crib or clothing, as it can pose a strangulation risk. Also, avoid modifying the pacifier in any way. Use the pacifier primarily for sleep and comfort rather than constant daytime use. Encourage other soothing techniques during awake hours. Check the pacifier regularly for signs of wear and tear, and replace it every 2 to 3 months. As your little one grows, you may decide to wean them off the pacifier. Here's how to do it gently. The ideal time to wean off the pacifier is typically between 6 to 12 months. Avoid weaning during times of significant change or stress. Gradually reduce pacifier usage over time, starting by limiting it to specific times, like only during naps and bedtime. Encourage alternative comfort methods, such as a favorite blanket or stuffed animal, to replace the pacifier's soothing effect. Praise your little one when they go without the pacifier and offer positive reinforcement for using alternative soothing techniques. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to introducing a pacifier and gently weaning your little one off it later. Remember, pacifiers can be a helpful tool for soothing, but it's essential to use them safely and consider weaning when the time is right. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Daily Hurdles, for more parenting tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and here's to a safe and comforting journey with your little one and their pacifier.